Good morning. I'm at the Caspian Sea, but first I need to go north to the Azeri border to change money.
One,
Yak,
two,
do,
se,
se,
char,
char, panj, shish, haft, hash. There are loads of mosques in Iran, of course, but unlike Turkey, it's quite rare to hear a muezzin here. Astara is a city divided. In fact, when you Google it, you get mostly Azeri results.
Australia.
Salam. Beach swimming is segregated in Iran, and I've seen, I think, the men's beach. I have to work out where I'm allowed to swim. Sadly, I left town without ever figuring out where the women's beach was. This is my second meal of biscuits today. My first Iranian tailwind. There's a few guest houses on the map around here, and it's just beginning to rain. Salam. And I don't know why I feel like I have to justify getting a guest house. I think this is my home for the night. The price started at 4 million for a room, and then it went to 3 million, then 2 million when I went to leave. So I'll just pay up front just to be sure. But otherwise, this is me. A bowl of fruit has arrived, and I've never had it before. It's like a pear, but it's got kind of persimmon seeds. It's yum. Here you go. Well, it transpires their guest accommodation is full of visiting families, so I've had a bed made up in the spare room, and I shall wish you from here Shab Bekhair. Good night.